Namaste and a warm welcome from Mumbai CSMIA Terminal 2. So what do you want to say about the Vistara's last flight?
It's going to be a memorable flight and a beautiful aircraft, A321. And because of this flight delay, it eventually became the last domestic flight ever of
Yeah,
Vistara.
really excited. So it's a very emotional moment,
This is a
right?
very emotional and very special
Yeah,
moment.
but it's also a milestone for Air India, don't you think? For
It is.
Tata?
It is. They're getting a good deal. However,
Yeah.
I think a big loss to aviation enthusiasts like us, the experience.
Yeah, so there's going to be like lesser amount of tails to go around.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, so do you think that Air India will be able to keep the Vistara vibe?
Hopefully, let's see. So with the Singapore Airlines investment still there, hopefully they will want to have some kind of experience matching. But I think there's still a long way to go. This is going to be
Yeah, we are flying on a
different
special
step.
aircraft too, the Airbus 321
yes,
itself.
yes,
Yeah, what do you have to say about the Air India, Vistara 321 Neo?
I think it's an amazing aircraft. Hopefully would have flown the business class product while Vistara was still there, but yeah, maybe have to fly when Air India has it.
Yeah.
It's a phenomenal aircraft, honestly.
Yeah,
It's
so you
my
want to fly
first
the Vistara 321 Neo or the Air India 321 Neo?
time. No, Vistara only. At the moment.
Yeah,
We'll wait for Air
everyone
India.
is trying to get a grasp of Vistara.
Yeah, honestly. But
and the key here is UK, right? Like
UK.
Yeah. So hopefully,
You want to fly UK to UK?
exactly, right? So that's it's a special thing for us. AI2 will not be the same. This is UK is special. So that's why we are here, and this is a special moment.
So aircraft is just arrived from Delhi as UK 985 is now going to take us back there as UK 986.
Comfort, the care, the warmth in the air, a bond with your team, so beyond compare. Today we part, but memories stay of golden skies and a brighter day. Though Vistara's name may now depart, its spirit lives on in every heart. In Air India's wings, yes, you'll rise anew, carrying forward the excellence you knew. So here's to the team, so proud, so true. The skies will remember the work you do. With gratitude deep and wishes so high, you'll never be the stars in the sky. Wow, yeah, lovely, yeah, so sweet, so sweet. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
So much everyone. Thanks for making it so memorable.
Thanks to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks to all of you.
Thanks a lot for everything, whatever we are today. It's only and only because of all of you. Thank you for having that trust and confidence on Vistara, and thanks for making us what we are today. We love you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Your team. Stay cheers to Vistara and welcome Air India. Ladies and gentlemen, today marks a significant milestone as Vistara embarks on a new journey. Starting tomorrow, Vistara will join Air India, combining our strengths to offer you a world-class global airline experience both on ground and in air. We thank you for being a valued Vistara guest. As we begin this new chapter with Air India, we look forward to serving you with the same warmth and excellence. Thank you.
We will shortly commence boarding of our last flight of Vistara UK 986 to Delhi in next 5 minutes from now. To make boarding experience seamless, we would like to give you some information regarding our boarding procedure. We will be inviting our business class and Club Vistara Platinum and Gold customers, followed by our Premium Economy and Vistara Priority corporate customers. We will be thereafter be boarding economy class customers starting. You are likely request to check your row number and remain seated until your row numbers are announced. We request you to kindly have your boarding pass ready for inspection at the gate. Thank you so much.
Requesting only business class, premium economy, platinum and gold card number to provide for boarding. Thank you. Have a nice flight, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you so much. So the first 3 rows in the A321neo are of business class in a 2-2 configuration with 12 seats in total, followed by premium economy in a 3-3 configuration with 24 seats in total. And then 152 seats complete the Airbus A321neo in economy class. So for this flight I was seated in 6 Foxtrot, a seat in the premium economy. So this is what it looks like. So you have a IFE screen in front of you, and you also have a seat pocket content, and you have a bit more generous leg room as you are seated in premium economy. And also in front of you have a foldable and extendable tray table.
Vistara flight 986 flying you to Delhi. On the flight deck is my colleague Captain Vaibhav Pratap Singh. In the cabin, to look after your safety and comfort, we have 6 lovely ladies led by flight manager Payal. She is assisted by Sagarika, Yashika, Nafiza, Amisha and Alka. As always, they'll do everything possible to keep you safe as well as comfortable throughout this short flight to Delhi. Today marks a historic moment as Vistara prepares to fly into an exciting new future. Beginning tomorrow, Vistara will merge into Air India with the commitment to create a world-class global airline. This merger will open up a world of possibilities for you with a wider global network, added benefits, and a bigger new loyalty program. While we will not fly as Vistara, you can continue to enjoy the familiar Vistara experience on Air India aircraft with the code AI2 followed by the flight number. Thank you for choosing Vistara. We look forward to continuing to serve you. Thank you.
The seat offers a good recline, and there were coat hooks and adjustable headrests present too. A few minutes later, menu cards were also handed out, which included 3 choices for the main course, 2 veg options and 1 non-veg option.
celebrations are also occurring downstairs on the apron in front of the aircraft. So the people are just, the employees of Vistara lining up and making videos and whooping. So really, this is a very historic moment in aviation, in Indian aviation today.
To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle. Your seatbelt can be tightened by pulling the strap and loosened this way. To unfasten your seatbelt, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. Mobile phones and other small handheld electronic devices, including reader.
Our aircraft was specially escorted to the runway by Follow Me cars. The seat pocket content consisted of the air sickness bag, the safety card and the Vistara magazine. Blankets and earphones were also provided as well later on in the flight. And soon afterwards, dinner was served. So I went for the vegetable makhanwala, which was served with bhindi masala and steamed rice. Apart from that, there was some butter. For dessert, we were served kokum delights with vanilla sauce. And for salad, we were served kasuri corn and pepper salad, along with a bread bun and some apple juice as a beverage, as well as a bottle of water. The food was a little spicy but also full of good Indian flavors.
Now time to try out this dessert. Just thank you for your Vistara love. So I'll never forget this dessert. Let's try it and see how it is like. So we'll try out what this looks like. It's actually very nice. I like this dessert.
And here's a look at the IFE, and of course, as always, Vistara World offers good content on their IFE. So farewell to Vistara World as well. Below the IFE are two audio ports and a USB port. As always, the lavatories are also nice and clean and checked frequently by the crew.
Farewell to Vistara. On this final flight, UK 986, emotions soar as the journey begins. From Mumbai to Delhi, the skies we greet. With Vistara's legacy, our hearts feel complete. You've set a standard second to none. With service and smiles, you've always won. A journey with you was a journey in style, a touch of grace in every mile. The comfort, the care, the warmth in the air, a bond with your team so beyond compare. Today we part, but memories stay. of golden skies and a brighter day. Though Vistara's name may now depart, its spirit lives on in every heart. In Air India's wings, you'll rise anew, carrying forward the excellence you knew. So here's to the team, so proud, so true. The skies will remember the work you do. With gratitude deep and wishes so high, you'll forever be stars in the Indian sky. Signing off, Payal Rai.
Now as Vistara finally reaches its end, I would just like to say that like this flight, all my flights with Vistara in the past have been the best, and it is very sad for all the Indian aviation geeks to see Vistara gone so soon. Vistara will be dearly missed and its legacy will live on forever. Now I hope Air India will keep all the Vistara aircraft in the current Vistara state so there is some vibe of Vistara left. I know it still won't be the same as Vistara, but at least we will still be able to experience one of the best airlines of India in the name of Air India. But to all my viewers, the fun is not over yet, as another Vistara flight is coming up on the channel, as that flight I took prior to this flight on their Boeing 787 Dreamliner, so stay tuned for that flight. And also another aviation surprise is coming up related to the largest airline of India. Can you guess what that is? Share with me in the comments below. Here are some shots of the Vistara cabin. A bittersweet end to an era. Goodbye to Vistara. Thank you for your service. So did you get this t-shirt designed specially for this flight?
Yes. It took me 2.5 hours to get this done, and it was like on the spot thoughts. But this below image is generated by AI. This is from Shutterstock, and these are the text I did on the PTP shop. This is the front and back.
Oh my god, it has the flight number as well for today and the date. Great. Really nice to have such aviation enthusiasts on board. So what do you think about the future of Air India?
Future is going to be excited. You know, I mean, these are the new good beginnings, I would say. Greater good or something. So one side, yeah, we are very heavy-hearted that Vistara is going to fade in the sky. But yes, Air India will become more stronger and better.
Bye.
Bye.
Please do like, comment, share,
Thank
and subscribe.